G'day everyone, Lego Movie Bros here. Yes, this is what I look like. I've decided to do some different kinds of videos from now on. Musical themed videos. I have a growing collection of musical instruments, which, if I ever continue making Lego videos, which I do hope to, that you may eventually end up hearing them in those. Yeah. I'd like to show today my flute, which, to be honest, isn't actually mine. It's a rental from my band. It's fairly standard flute with just a normal C attachment on the end. So I'll just take a moment or two to explain some of the things that personally I find quite interesting on this instrument. The way that you get the note A flat is quite interesting, I think, personally. When you put down this key, it puts down this one as well, which is what gives you G. So you have this key, which you actuate with your pinky finger, which opens up a hole on the back, which actually cancels out that other hole. So I can go from to just by actuating that other key with my pinky. And then there's, so here when I press the F key, that puts down two holes as well. So in order to get around that, they've designed it so you can press this one and that brings this other one over here, which is one semitone higher. Think of it as frets on a guitar. So what I'll do now is I'll play a tune so we can get an idea of what this instrument can do. I apologise if at all I don't sound quite perfect. I've only been playing for 2 years. Here is a tune called As the Deer. And thank you very much for watching. I will try and get some more Lego videos done in the next, well, within 6 months. I'll try and do more frequently over the next 6 months or so. Thank you very much.